We only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down.
You gotta, yep, start at the top and go around. Start at the top. Good job. Now they want you to go the other way. Great. Keep going. Perfect. Keep going. You need to sit up and do it, John.
Like that.
It doesn't do that. You gotta do a line. Look. Watch Mama. Okay? We're gonna do a letter B. Are you ready? We want you to go down and then over and then over.
Mom,
Can you do that?
you did that, so.
You do this one. Go down and then like this and like this.
Mom, you just draw on the paper here.
It's okay.
Yeah. Oh.
Perfect. Keep going.
No, whoa. Get down. Crawl around, crawl around. Do-do-do-do. Here, here, here. Get that back over. Ooh, look at the hanging. See it, bro? Okay, let's decorate them.
What is it?
Beads.
A B? What are we decorating it with?
Beads.
Buttons.
Buttons.
What does buttons start with?
The letter B.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to put you guys up here. Just not working. There we go. Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. So it's Monday. We already did schoolwork. It is now 1:30. I have a killer headache and we're just going with it. I think multiple things are going on because I haven't been feeling well. And you guys, I do think it's iron. I think I have an iron deficiency. So I'm taking my iron. Hopefully, last time the doctor said it'd probably be a good week before I would start feeling any different taking iron until it gets really in your system. So I'm hoping this will pass. Another thing is, so my husband and I decided to give up like Dunkin' and Starbucks for the month of October. Will we last a whole month? I don't know, but so we are on day what? 3? Like what's today? So I haven't had any caffeine. Another reason to have a headache, right? So I think it's, you know, the iron deficiency, the lack of caffeine, stress, all could be why I have it. It's one of those headaches that I feel like it's coming from like my neck, you know what I mean? So it's probably tension, to be quite honest. Because yesterday I was not, it was just, I feel better today about situations and things, and I think yesterday it was just like a lot of stuff coming at me at one time, And usually when that happens, I just want to shut down and just be like, okay, I'm not doing nothing. Forget about it. Just, I'm not going to work. I'm not going to do anything. But I was able to power through and get a few more orders done. There's a big order that I was working on, and I have to remake this because I just can't send it. I was packaging it up, and the pocket is crooked. The pocket is, the embroidery itself, I mean, it is sewn on. It is lined up. I lined it up. But as you can see, the pocket, it's not, it slants down this way a little bit. So you can really tell because these two are not, I mean, you know what I mean? These two are not even. So, I mean, in the long run, would it matter to this child? Probably not. You know what I mean? But at the same time, I don't want to send something that's crooked. So I had to order one of those aprons because I don't have one. I have to change out the threads on my... Yeah, I'll have to make Journey some lunch in a little bit. I fed her a big breakfast, so I'm hoping... I'm just going to put you guys right here. I fed her a big breakfast, pancakes and sausage. Where's my... So I'm just hoping that she won't need to eat lunch right away. I'll probably wait until at least 2:30, 3 o'clock. I still don't know what's for dinner because Mama didn't plan any dinner for Monday. I don't know why. Or did I? Sometimes I plan like different things, different dinners. Because I had pizza dough and I made that. I made pizza yesterday. So that was one of those, like, I won't call them simple dinners, but I'm trying to think if I bought anything else like that. Because sometimes I'll be like, okay, well, I'll pick up, you know, some bacon. I'll have BLTs one day, or I'll pick up I don't think I do. One of them was the ziti, the Instant Pot ziti. That was a leftover from a different week. So I kept that on my dinner menu. I still have to make one for this week. Go to the doctor tomorrow, so I'll find out about my iron and that. But if the doctor's appointment takes too long, we probably won't be going grocery shopping, or we might go after my husband gets home from work. But I do have a ton of orders that I have to get done, so I'm gonna have to start kicking it up into high gear because it's that time of year you get overloaded, which I'm not complaining. I'm actually kind of excited because I'm like, yes, I need some money. I need to help pay for this Florida trip. I need some money. So, which is coming up in a month. Oh man, did you see that? You guys didn't see that. I accidentally hit it with my scissors after I just threaded it. So I'm going to make this shirt, and I will probably start something out on the other embroidery machine as well. And I will work on my dinner menu for the week. And there was something, oh, I need to do shirt inventory. So make sure I got all my colors that I need. Blue, lavender, orange. Got them all. It's the worst when you go to make something and you forget to change out a thread, and you think you have that thread in there and it stitches out in like a crazy color, and you're like, no. Here we go. Yeah, you can let him out. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. I am going to be making a chicken, kind of like a crock pot chicken meal. So I'm going to chop up my vegetables first, and then I'll show you guys. Actually, I'm going to mix up my mixture first. I'll show you guys that first before I cut up my vegetables, because I want to add my vegetables into my mixture. So you can use a can of, you can either use cream of chicken or you can use cream of mushroom. I'm going to go with cream of chicken. Actually, no, I'm going to go with cream of mushroom just to be fun.
Pick whatever one you want. Can you pick this one with me? Pick this one with me. Start doing it.
So an entire can of cream of mushroom you're going to use. So I got some sour cream. I need about, I think it was a half a cup. I'm not really sure. I mean, it'll be alright. We'll figure it out. So we're just going to mix those together. And then a third cup of mayonnaise. Johnny, turn it down a little bit.
Well, Tessie did.
Tessie did what?
I tried to turn it down, but it didn't.
Oh. We're playing game. Okay, so about a third cup of mayonnaise.
Yeah. I'm sorry that I down. How trying to run around and
Oh my goodness.
bye, Dad. I'm going to take you later.
And then you need about a half cup or more of shredded cheese. Just depends on how much cheese you like. Shh. You're too noisy. We're going to mix that all together. And what we're going to do is add our vegetables to this. And we're going to give them a nice... Shh. Sorry. And we're going to add our vegetables to this, and we're going to put it on top of our chicken and cook it in the crock pot. So. Want them all to be coated. also can season this, which I will in just a minute. We will add a little bit of, I'll add a little garlic salt, and that way I won't add any salt. We will add, I'll add some onion powder if I find it. I'm not seeing it though. Garlic powder. Here's the onion powder. I'm gonna add some pepper. Actually, you know what? I think I might just have this. Garlic. Oh, I saw garlic, black pepper, turmeric. No, I won't. We'll just have the pepper. Okay, I went ahead and meal prepped. I had a big thing of chicken breasts, so I put some of them in my crock pot for tonight, and then we will have chicken and dumplings later on this week, so I went ahead and chopped them up into small pieces for that. I won't have to worry about chopping up that when it's that time. Okay, so we got our chicken into the crock pot. I don't have a liner, which sucks. I need to buy some more. And when we go to Walmart to pick up her prescription, I'll go ahead and pick up more. But I'm going to go ahead and season. I like to season my chicken as well as my stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I like to add garlic powder, garlic salt, a little bit of pepper, and we've got, we'll do a little basil and a little, is this rosemary? No, this is parsley. I might do a little rosemary as well, just a little, just to give it a little hint of something. So I'll do some onion powder, garlic powder. This is not even open, Pamela. It's onion powder too. How come just a minute ago I had so many garlic powders and now the one I want to use is garlic salt.
Would you like to play it? Yeah, I think
So I'm going to add just a little basil.
Well, I have to.
This for,
I think it is my favorite.
what is your favorite?
I think.
Let me find my rosemary. I got some thyme. Poppy.
Oh.
We've got poppy seeds. Chili powder. Sazon. Blackened.
Okay, I don't even know.
Here's a little thyme. We'll add just a little bit of thyme.
Which one? This one or the bigger?
And now I just need to find my garlic. You know what? We'll just add the garlic salt. Alright. Pepper. Ooh, that might have been too much. It'll be alright. Okay. Now this part is totally optional. You can add a bag of frozen vegetables if you want. Go ahead and add it right to this. What does she want you to play?
Play
Alrighty. Now we're just going to cover. Chicken. Dropping my bowl. Don't be dropping my bowl. Okay, we're just going to cover this and we're going to cook it on high for 4 hours. If I can get all the cheese out of my spoon.
The grocery shop.
B. Yes, ma'am. Great job. What do? We start at the top and we go down. Start at the top, go around, and go around. Perfect. Yes, dear.
Where is it?
Where's one? Right there by your fingers.
Oh.
Which way does it go? What for?
This way?
Sure. Okay, you gotta do the same on this one.
Cut it?
Yep, cut out the fox head and put him on him.
Okay.
Can you do that?
I want to go to the blue one.
Okay, move your hair out of your face.
Thanks. Okay, I'm going to try it. Mama, I'm scared I'll cut that, so I'm going to move it.
Okay.
I just cut the side up here.
You just cut this one out. And you glue him there. Because his whiskers are on that page, so you don't want to cut him out of that page. So you just cut that.
Okay, here's his eyes. I got this.
If you want to, if it helps you.
Okay, cut his nose. I cut his nose out.
Oh no. You gotta finish cutting this right here.
Okay, I have to. Let's cut this side off. I don't want to cut here, so we'll go around. Okay, now we can cut the side. Okay. It's hard to use these scissors, so I'll go pick these pocket scissors.
Okay.
It's very good.
You know, what if you went in this way? What if you use the scissors and you cut up this way? You think that would be better if you turned it this way and cut it that way? You think that would work? Okay, now where do we gotta glue it? Yes, get that first slice cut. Good job. Oh. It's not open, baby. You gotta twist the lid to open it.
This way?
Mm-hmm. There it goes. It's open.
put some here. Oh.
So I just added a pack of Ritz crackers. So it does help soak up some of the juice, and it's ready to serve.
10 out of 10.
You like it?
You got your chicken. You got your red onions. Your peas. Your banana peppers. Your
Squash.
and your corn. All tied together tastefully with this nice cream sauce and some chicken. Did I already say that? It's good.
Hey guys, I have not vlogged, so I figured I better pick up the camera and try. I keep having memory card issues, so every time I went to film earlier, I was trying to film my dinner, and it just kept having memory card issue. So anyway, I've been working all afternoon. We finished with school kind of late though, so I didn't get down here until probably 3:30ish. So I do have a couple more to finish up. I have this one, which is a rush order. I had a customer, they accidentally ordered the wrong age. And they did a rush order, so I feel bad that they did a rush order and it was, I think they ordered Friday or Saturday. No. They ordered, I think they ordered Wednesday and I shipped it out Friday. They got it Monday and realized it had the wrong age on it. They're like, tell me I didn't order this. And I'm like, you did, sorry. So they wanted to order a replacement. He asked if I could do it, but I had to make sure I had a size 6 shirt. And so finally I messaged them, but they didn't message me back until today, which is Wednesday. And they're like, they just now saw my message where I said I'd replace, do it. I'm not charging them a rush fee. I just charged them the regular price for the shirt. But I'm making it right now, and they're gonna do overnight shipping because I figure, they're paying a lot for overnight shipping, and it's a mistake anyone can make, honestly, because if you ever order something on Etsy, it's easy in the drop down menu, like if you're on your phone, to accidentally, but of course you should always double check. Today I made a mistake ordering off Etsy, so it's easy to happen. It happens, my mistake was it has my P.O. box on there, and so it was an item I had ordered for my daughter, and I didn't want it shipping to the P.O. box. I wanted to ship it to her house, but when I hit the go ahead button, whatever, I noticed I had the P.O. box, and I'm like, stop, but it had already went through. So I just messaged them, and they're like, oh yeah, I'll change that for you. But I'm like, okay. I was like, I always have issues, like when people tell me to change their address, I usually put a note, but sometimes it's like, you might forget, and if you forget, oh my gosh, shame on you, it's all your fault. Anyway, I'm going to continue working and try to get this rush order done, and then I think I have one more after this one that I have to finish up.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.